Guys, Guru Nation, welcome back. I'm here with Monica, Chief Director of CRC Academy, instructor, co-founder. I was just talking to Monica because I was here for our CRA Academy. We had a question and answer session. Those students are about to take the final and then do the internship. And now I was talking to you, hey, how's it going with these guys in the CRC Academy? I know the industry is hiring like crazy because there's so many resources from coordinators to CRAs being allocated to coronavirus studies that it's a huge shortage of researchers, especially coordinators, in other non-COVID areas. So you were saying that yesterday, right? Or 2 days ago? Yesterday.
Just
four people, four of our students, four of the CRC Academy students got hired in one day.
In just 1 day.
Not by the same company.
No. Different companies, different cities. So it was one in New Jersey, one in New York, one in Los Angeles, and then one in San Francisco.
All in 1 day.
Just in 1 day.
As coordinators, all of them as coordinators.
And then today, one of our students applied to one job opportunity in North Carolina. So,
wow.
Yeah.
And so what is your thoughts on why people are getting hired so much? Like why is the industry hiring so much right now?
Well, I think
we're talking about lockdowns again, another wave of lockdowns.
Exactly. But it's a shortage. But then at the same time, I mean, the lockdown is only making things on research going even more crazy because the COVID, right? And then on top of that, there are so many studies that were behind that are now, on the process of getting
started.
Yeah, getting started and everything. And then, so there are a huge need of people in research, pharmaceutical research, clinical research coordinators. So if you have ever wanted to join this industry, this is the perfect timing. I mean, it's a golden time right now.
Now is the best time. If you're a doctor, if you're a coordinator or somebody that wants to be a coordinator, if you want to be a CRA, no matter what it is you want to do, it's never been a better time than 2020.
That's correct.
Is the best year. This has been the worst year for almost everything, but maybe the best year for research.
That's correct. So if you have that in your mind and you say that's crazy, that's unachievable, well, the answer is no. This year is your year. This is the time to do it. Take a look of our LinkedIn, our Facebook, our website. Join us, subscribe. And by the way, if you register in Latinos in Research, we are giving away one full scholarship from the CRC Academy because it's our 1 year anniversary.
Hold up the shirt. Yeah. Latinos in Clinical Research.
Yeah, so subscribe.
LatinosInClinicalResearch.com.
So you have to subscribe. Even if you're not Latino, you're still part of diversity because we are all part of diversity. So then subscribe and share our post. That way you can get registered and participate.
All ethnicities welcome. Yeah. I'm not Latino. I'm one of the 4 founding people. I'm not Latino. But we're supporting Latinos in Clinical Research. Obviously, the conversations are going to focus around... Look at the back of the shirt. That's what the conversation is going to focus around. Okay? Increasing the diversity in clinical research. So this is a huge topic. That's another opportunity, by the way. So this year is nothing but opportunities for people. Diversity is a huge opportunity. COVID has become a huge opportunity.
Exactly.
Anything remote has become a huge opportunity. In my Patreon channel today, you want to have a good business idea? You can take this business idea. I don't have time for it. Remember when that lady came from that big CRO to visit here?
Yeah.
She wanted a field trip.
Mm-hmm.
So on my Patreon channel this morning, she's in that group, by the way. But somebody else was talking to me about how Ross Jackson, he wrote the book, Facebook Ads for Patient Recruitment. He wrote that book. He was saying, I'm dealing with sites and sponsors, and they don't understand each other ever. And then I remembered when that lady came, so I said, you know what? Why isn't there a business around facilitating visits to sites from sponsors and vice versa, right? Having sponsors let sites come and visit their headquarters. Like, why not? There's a business around this. There's entire conferences, there's entire events like investigator meetings and all these conferences where they talk about communication between sponsors and sites and how they need to understand each other better, and they're doing webinars and all this stuff. Why not facilitate this? And you can do it virtually through Zoom.
Yeah, we actually
Also.
we actually offer here that service that we
Yeah.
were going to be able to educate them about the sites, and they can educate us about the sponsor. So it can be, it's good for the industry. It's great for the research. So why not?
Why not? And why not you? If you're watching, this is an opportunity. There's opportunities everywhere in a year like this. Remote, virtual, COVID, the training, the diversity, all these things are here for you guys, for your opportunities in clinical research. CRC Academy, it's not too late to join. 2 weeks left to join for the December class. And talk to this lady here.
This will be the door that will open the wall of research for you.
All right. Thank you, Monica. And join us on LatinosInClinicalResearch.com for our monthly Zoom calls. Take care.
Bye.